Kanina pa kami nag-aantay dito. Yung anak ko pala tulog. Napagod na sa kakaantay namin dalawa ni Jowa sa loob. Buti nilang kamong mahangin. Pero masakit na yung aking balikat, ha? Mabigat tong aking dala-dala. 15 kilos to. Isang kamay lang. Ano patawarin? Yung aming grab daw na aksidente siya. So hindi niya kami masusundo. Inaantay niya na i-cancel yung kanyang booking. Kasi pag siya yung mag-cancel, i-penalty siya na 50 peso. Ay, nako. So they're not going to charge you for that? Sure, huh?
Not my fault.
Yeah, I know, but you cancel it. Napagod na siya magpaliwanag. Manglilimos na kami dito. Ayan na. Yung ating grab, nakadalawa na tayo. Laging kinakancel. Hindi na kinaya ng aking kamay. Masakit na yung aking balikat.
Everybody's coming from this side. They cancel the bookings.
Why?
There's traffic. This guy's coming from here now.
Ay, naku. Ay, yung mukha natin. Yeah, because of the noise that guy made. Sorry, baby. Pati yung anak ko nagulat tuloy sa kanyang, how's your napping? Huh? Sorry, you were outside. We're still waiting for the grab. You okay? Ha? Pati tuloy yung anak ko nagugulat na. Tagal-tagal bibi ng ating grab, laging kinakancel. Ha? Sorry, baby. What's that? A plane? Wow! Stand up. Hey, my pretty princess is awake. You're awake? Say hi to Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Gising na ang batuta namin. Para tuloy tayo itong manlilimos. Ayan na, baby. Sana all maganda pag gumising. Ha? Sana all woke up like this. Yung mother mo yan, ah. What's that? It's a bird. So much bird today. Yeah, they're flying. Yes. Ooh. Yeah, the bird. We're here inside the car. Finally, we found a driver.
Yeah, I have to do cancellations. One accident.
Or maybe that's only excuse.
I don't know. Whenever they come from that side, they don't want to. There's chances they'll cancel it because of traffic.
You can see again your friend, baby Yana. Just say hi and goodbye. Huh? I see it, my baby. You want milk now? What's that? What's that? Happy yarn. Happy ang baby na yan. Ang laki mo na, anak. You're so big na. Yeah, you grow so fast.
That's grass. That's trees.
Wala mo lang tayong ano sa ating mukha, anak. Buti ka pa.
That's my old partner fucked me. Asshole. I don't know where to see him.
It was just there today, right? That was today or yesterday?
I don't know which day it is.
My baby princess. Oh, you know where to find Jollibee, huh? Where's the Jollibee? Oh, so Jollibee. The Jollibee. It's okay, I know it's Jollibee. Just say hi and goodbye.
excited to see Jollibee again and again every day.
Okay, bye-bye, Jollibee. Yeah, bye-bye.
Sorry, Jollibee, no junk food for me.
I know, it's Jollibee. What's that sound? Huh?
Mama.
Who's that? That's Ayana. Is that you? That's my baby Ayana. Look at her hair, babe. It's kind of blonde.
Yeah.
Ano? Nice hair, baby. Ay pagka-brownie yung kanyang buhok. Sana all. Yana? Sana all? Yeah, I know. Mm-mm. Gonna talk now? Wow, what is that?
No, no, don't do that. No, it's not good. You'll hurt yourself.
No.
Yeah. You're a good girl, right? You're a sweet little good girl,
Yes, I am, Daddy.
aren't you?
I am. Yay.
Yay!
Oh, look at mommy. Smile. Who's that pretty girl? Who's that princess? Where's the baby Ayana? I can see you. I can see you. Ay, no, dirty. Don't touch. Sa labas muna kami kasi si Jowa nagpahinga bago siya turukan. Oh, what happened now? Kinakabahan naman ako sa'yo, anak. What happened? Don't be cranky. It's too hot in the Philippines. Namawis na ako. I know. Look at the camera. Oh, say hi to them. Hi, Tata Shots. Say hi, Tata Shots. Hi, Tata Shots. Good afternoon. Say hi to them, baby Ayana. Say hello, everybody. Here is Ayana. Show them. Oh, show them your move. Oh, what's that? Show them the beautiful smile. The beautiful eyes. How about the beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes. Come on, show. Beautiful eyes. No? Wala siya sa mood. Kalibangon ko. Ang tagal pa nito. Baby, tawag ako ng kalikasan. Sana kayo sa tinikol mo. Pupunta yun daw yung dito eh. Wait lang. Namamawis na ako sa ano ba? Ay, sana all. Naantay namin yung ate niya. Ang tagal-tagal naman. Kailangan ko nang mag-ano talaga. Kailangan ko nang umupo. Hindi na kaya. Saan pa yung ate mo, anak? Bilisan na ka. Ito naman ting pasaway naman tong ano ko, anak. Nagpapasaway din kung kailan tayo nasa labas. Where is ate na? Hurry na ate. Pinipigilan ko lang yung aking ano. Say hi. Are you saying hi to them? Dami mo nakikita, anak. Yung view kasi namin dito nasa ano, taas-taas ng konti. Ate, we cannot find ate yet. Yung school nila, andyan lang. O, so may blue na yan. Yan yung school nila. Malapit lang. Pero saan kayo yung ate mo? Tagal-tagal. Nakaraos din kami. Ayan na. Di ba, baby?
Kuya na Jollibee. Jollibee, say bye-bye.
Sunduin namin si daddy namin. Baka mawala. Si Nicole.
No picture.
Artista yun. Tawid ko. Baby, mabigat ka. Lakad ka nga, anak. Daddy. Come on. Where's daddy na? Oh no. Drink na, drink. Babe. You don't have? What's wrong? Mommy is hungry. Where's your milk?
Nasa bag talo.
Mm. 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 Have your milk first. Come na, ma'am na.
Mark.
You don't like lumpia anyway. What do you want to eat?
No.
Oh, mommy, we'll give you. Sana makuha na dito.
Yung ano?
Kaya lang.
Galing.
Kapatid mo.
Sahod niya? Ay, kapatid niya. Kapatid. Mayaman. 10 rupees.
Mm.
Aray.
Gutom na ako, baby. First meal ko. Anong oras na? Lumpia. Lumpiang buhay. Hindi, lumpiang sariwa. Oh, go to daddy there. Go. Bye-bye, Yana. Hawakan mo ng maayos. Let's go na, let's go. Let's go, bye-bye. Si bye-bye. Si bye-bye. Bye-bye, daddy. Ate. Yeah. Tapos nag-order ako ng dinuguan para mamaya dinner ko. Palabok sana kaso lang busog na ako eh. Kumain na ako ng lumpia din.
Noko rin.
Seryoso yung isa. What they're doing, ayan na.
Uy.
Inaantok ka na? Inaantok yar? Antok ka, baby yan ah. Seryoso na siya.